Ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh kala Rakhe ka International Nurses Day menta ka sngi kabade ka sngi le burom na ka benta ki nurse ka leng ka perthai halo ka jingno asinyang makodro jongki ka kot ka khya kani ka sngi ka diru ka lingkhu sngi kha jong ka Florence Nightingale ka nongsham ni ka kam nurse ringkat ka phang padeng our nurses our future caring for nurses strengthens economies Laishimenta ka program ni Dr. Dibla ibade medical superintendent ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh kumikongsan ha ka ba ila thange ka sharak ba ila pli perdaru ka durjong ka Florence Nightingale Laishimenta langru ha ka ni program da idanela ti sangma ibade nursing superintendent ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh ringkat ki staff nurse lambat ki khana puli kani ka program ka banjur halor ka kamram ka bakongsan jong ki nurse manpen mandori ka lawai ha ka rukam ajing sumar ka bapaka
Tribute to the unwavering dedication, compassion, and resilience that you nurses demonstrate every single day. You nurses are more than just healthcare professionals. You are the caregivers, the educators, and often the first and the last point of contact for patients. Yes, in practical life also we can see that when we admit patient, the nurses are the ones who admit the patient. And yes, when the patient leaves the hospital, yes, the nurses are the ones who discharge the patient. A nurse provides care, comfort, and hope to the patient. You see, like sometimes we are very busy in our daily, we have so stressed in our works, all of us, it's not just me, even you people from the higher level up to the lower level, we are so stressed out with works. Sometimes we even forget, who we are. Remember that, the doctors, the nurses, and all the health workers, we are unique in this hospital. In this healthcare, we are unique. You cannot compare us with the other employees, in the other departments. We are so different from the other employees in the other departments. And yes, we should not forget that what we are being taught in our institutions, be it a doctor or a nurse, we have to remember that we have taken oath to be what we are. We have to remember this. We have to put inside, the day like now, these are all the students here. A day will come when you, just by studying also, I've seen you people taking the oath. And when you finish your studies, you will be taking the biggest oath in your life. So make your profession noble. Do not work because, sometimes we work because, I have my duty from this time to this time, then we finish my duty. I don't care. At the end of the month, I get my salary. It's true. Who can take the salary? All of us, we get our salary. And we work. How you work is up to you. Nobody can stop your salary. So we have that attitude sometimes, we used to forget. We come here, we do our duty because we have to. And yes, we get a salary at the end of the month. That is very sad. You work and serve because you want to. It's not because the seniors are telling you. It's not because sister is telling you. It's not because I tell you. It's because you want to. You should love your profession. You serve with feelings, To love your profession, you have to serve with feelings, with all your heart. If you have no feelings to your profession,